Hello and welcome to another edition of Sana's Chronicles. And in today's edition of Sana's Chronicles, I am reporting with my raspy voice. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मेरी आवाज़ को क्या हो गया है? जी हाँ, मेरी आवाज़ बिल्कुल जा चुकी है and today it's feeling a little better. So I am doing a little bit of documenting for the soup, which I have been wanting to share with you guys for the very, very long time. So basically, it's soup weather, as we all know. Though I was craving because of my throat, I couldn't drink anything very spicy or very hot, so मैंने chicken barley soup बनाया था. Okay, this soup has a little bit of history. I'll tell you about it. Story time. So whenever we go to any Iranian restaurant, any Mediterranean restaurant, they normally serve you barley soup or what's it called, noodle soup. So this has to be the most wholesome ever meal I would ever crave when I'm falling sick. So क्योंकि मेरी थोड़ा सा taste buds were not cooperating, so I was wanting to have something very bland. Now you can adjust the seasoning however you want. You can adjust the ingredients however you want. This is so forgiving. अच्छा, इस सूप का बनाने का तरीका ये है कि you can take protein of your choice. I took chicken and I took veggies of my choice. You can take any vegetables you have in hand. So I took about gajar, which is about 1 cup, then 1 cup of julienne colorful sweet peppers, then 1 cup of, how we say, purple cabbage, and 1/4 cup of onions. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो चिकन मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, ये बेसिकली बॉइल्ड चिकन है for sandwiches. At this point of time, you can use whole chicken, like boneless chicken, without being cooked. तो I had boiled chicken, जिसको मैंने थोड़ा सा अदरक लहसुन के साथ और चिकन क्यूब के साथ डाल के उबाल लिया था, एंड आई क्रश्ड इट इन हैंड मिक्सर. एंड मैंने इसको थॉ करके इस वक्त इसके अपने इंस्टेंट पॉट में डाल दिया है. एंड अब आई एम यूजिंग अबाउट 1/4 ऑफ अ कप ऑफ एवोकाडो ऑयल. अच्छा, इसमें तो सीजनिंग आपकी जो जाती है 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, half a teaspoon of हल्दी, एंड 1 to 1.5 teaspoon ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर. इसमें और कुछ नहीं जाता है. नमक मैं नहीं डाल रही क्योंकि इसके अंदर चिकन क्यूब डाल रही हूँ, क्योंकि बॉइल्ड चिकन में भी चिकन क्यूब्स हैं, तो इसके अंदर मज़ीद नमक नहीं जाएगा. However, when it's ready, you can check the taste of नमक. अगर आपको कम लग रहा है तो आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इस वक्त मुझे बिल्कुल सही लग रहा था. So I would rather adjust it right at the end when it's about to be served. क्योंकि नमक की ज़्यादती can always be checked at the end of your dish. यहाँ पे मैं फ्रेशली ग्राउंड ब्लैक पेपर कर रही हूँ और चिकन स्टॉक मैंने डाला है इसके अंदर. अगर आपके पास चिकन स्टॉक नहीं है, यू कैन यूज़ प्लेन वाटर. अब मैंने चिकन स्टॉक डाल दिया है, विच आई यूज्ड बेसिकली टू बॉयल माई चिकन, विच लाइक आई हैड शोन यू अर्लियर. दिस वाज अबाउट 2 cups ऑफ चिकन स्टॉक. नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट टू बॉयल और कम टू अ बॉयल. अब यहाँ पे once it boiled, now I'm using my soaked lentils and barley to add it inside my soup. अब यहाँ पे ये पूरा सोक हो चुका है. Now we have to adjust the water. So I will add about 4 cups of water over here. You can add boiling water. I did not use boiling water, I'll be very honest. I used normal room temperature water. So this is about 4 cups. After 4 cups, I added water and then I set it on instant pot mode, bean mode, for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes तक मैंने इसको रखा क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें तो आपकी कुक हो चुकी हैं. Like you have the chicken which is already cooked, you have your veggies which has already been sauteed and sweated out. You just want the beans to cook. So I put it on bean setting for about 20 minutes and then I'm waiting for it to cook. यहाँ पे it indicated that the instant pot indicated that it's ready. So once I vent out the pressure, I'm opening the lid. Make sure to always vent out the pressure or just wait for a while so that it doesn't cause any catastrophe. अब at this point आप देखें कि आपका पानी की कंसिस्टेंसी कैसी है आपके सूप की. I found it a little runny at this point, so you have 2 options. You have option 1 to use a hand blender to emulsify it and to make it a homogeneous soup, or you can just evaporate the water and have a little bit of texture in your soup. I chose the second part, which is obviously evaporating the water, because I like a little bit of texture coming in your mouth, so it tastes really good and wholesome. अब मैं थोड़ा सा इसको बॉईल पिला रही हूँ ताकि सारा जो पानी है वो एक्सेस पानी है वो सूख जाए एंड थोड़ा सा ये गाढ़ा हो जाए because it has barley in it, so obviously when it sits and when it comes on room temperature it will become thick. So make sure to leave it enough runny or enough thick that it doesn't become like, you know, a porridge kind of texture. So I just let it water, I let it evaporate a little bit of water. अब जब ये सर्विंग पे आएगा तो इसको आप सर्व कर सकते हैं as is, and then you can, you know, season it with some red sauce, spicy sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, however you want it. So I normally like to have a little bit of namak kali mirch, and I like to have it with crotons or breadsticks. So I had breadsticks with me, so I just seasoned it with, you know, crushed breadsticks, and I just had it. It was so wholesome and so filling, and it was like a hug, a warm bowl of hug, you know. I love it. Until then, toodles.